Hey guys, today I introduce a super ramen, Abura Soba. Have you ever tried ramen before? In Japan, there's a popular type of ramen called Abura Soba, also known as Soba, which doesn't have soup. It's this similar to ramen, but with fewer calories. With this recipe, you can make it in less than 10 minutes with ingredients costing around $1.50. Give this easy and delicious Abura Soba try at home! So let's make it together! Introduce ingredients: noodles, menma, garlic, egg, chashu, green onion, bonito flakes, chicken soup base, sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and nori seaweed. Now let's make this easy and delicious Abura Soba at home! First, prepare the chashu. Cut it into about 1 cm cubes. Unlike ramen, where you slice it thinly, for Abura Soba, cutting into 1 cm cubes ensures the ingredients mix well, and it's a perfect size for mixing. Now prepare the eggs. Add hot water to a large container and cover it. Let it sit for at least 10 minutes. This will result in a creamy boiled egg. I'll use my favorite Fujiyama bowl again today. Now let's prepare the sauce. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then add half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Next, add 1 teaspoon of chicken soup base and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Microwave them without covering for 1 minute. Since Bonito flakes are large, it's better to grind them into powder form. After microwaving, crush them into the powder form. Microwaving helps remove the moisture from the Bonito flakes, turning them into powder. Once crushed to the right size, add them to the sauce we prepared earlier. Then mix them well. If it's difficult to mix, microwave for 20 seconds to help dissolve the sugar and chicken soup base. When everything is dissolved, it's ready! Then, after everything has dissolved, add sesame oil. It's important to add sesame oil last because if added too early, the sugar and chicken soup base won't dissolve properly. Finally, grate some garlic, the secret ingredient for flavor, and add it. The more garlic, the tastier it gets. So feel free to add as much as you like. Once added, mix everything again. After mixing, the sauce is ready. Now let's prepare the noodles. First, fill the large pot with plenty of water and bring it to the boil. Make sure to use a large pot because if it's too small, the noodles won't cook evenly. Once the water is boiling, add the noodles. Stir lightly after boiling to prevent sticking. Cook noodle according to the package instruction time. Thicker noodle works best for Abura Soba as they absorb the sauce better. So I'm using the noodle typically used for tsukemen today. Once the noodles are cooked according to the package instruction time, immediately drain them. It's important to drain them well as excess water can dilute the flavor. Add the drained noodle to prepare the bowl. And mix well to coat them evenly with the sauce. Finally, add the toppings. Add chashu, Menma, green onions, and nori seaweed. Finely chop the nori seaweed before adding. Make a small well in the center and crack an egg into it. The perfect Abura Soba is now complete! Finish! So let's いただきます. Mixing everything together before eating is essential. If you success, take a photo before mixing and show it off to your friends. Once everything is mixed well, it's time to enjoy! The taste just like the one you'd get in the restaurant. Now here's a flavor variation tip. Did you know that the Abura Soba pair with vinegar? Sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of vinegar for a refreshing twist. Oh, this is the ultimate Abura Soba experience! I have made it several times, but this might be the best one yet. It only costs $1.5 to make, so I highly recommend trying it at home. Thank you for watching until the end. I'll introduce Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe this channel so you don't miss it. See you next time.